Trying to split a data frame column based on the values of another column line per line. I have summed numbers, df index, with test score information. Each test is comprised of subtests. All of the subtest scores are in the same field, and there is another field that tells you the test type, i.e. the delimiter. Say for example I have the GRE. The GRE has 3 subtests: verbal, analytical writing, and quantitative. One field has the test type, GRE, and another field has the test score values in one field, GRE verbal 156.0, 170.0, GRE analytical writing 4.56.0, GRE quantitative 157.0, 170.0. There are multiple other tests in this data set of the same structure. I want to use the test type column to act as the delimiter of the dot split method on the test score values field and have expand equals true, but it never works. I keep getting a key error. I've tried a lot of different approaches, many of them from similar questions on Stack Overflow that don't match my issue exactly. 1. This resulted in a key error, delimiter. 2. This resulted in key error, test score values, occurred at index ID. 3. This resulted in attribute error, series object has no attribute or split. 4. This resulted in type error, string indices must be integers. I keep getting errors, but what I would like to get, in keeping with the GRE example at the beginning, is something along the lines of I then would want to break them down further, but solving this split would be a good first step because afterwards I can split on the space within the different scores. Can anyone help please?
For highly specific manipulations, I recommend for loops given their flexibility and readability, though I will stress that this isn't automatically the most optimized way to do this sort of thing. First, initialize your data frame. Next, iterate over your df and perform necessary string manipulations. You could go a step further and begin manipulating each row down to its percent score, or create a new table with maximum score for each section per exam, but I'll leave that to you.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.